Okay, class, this is your final exam. Make sure you don't cheat, okay? And I will use a special tool that can see AI. So make sure you don't use it. You both pass. Yes.
Uy, nandito mo rin pala?
Oo, mag-a-apply ako dito.
Ako din, kamusta ka na?
Okay naman.
Ano matanggap tayong dalawa?
Kaya nga,
Tara na.
Thank you. Good afternoon. You can sit down. I see that you passed an impressive resume. And can you tell me more about yourself?
Hi ma'am, I'm attending from Caloocan City. I'm 27 years old. I'm graduate from Manila Business College as a magkakanate. Before po, I'm a working student. Ako lang po yung nag-support financially for my study.
I see that you're applying for a marketing assistant position. And I want to know, how will you help the company grow for the next 5 years?
As a marketing assistant, I would fit in well because I'm very passionate about marketing and promoting products. I'm also very eager to learn more and to try out new ideas to your company. Yun lang.
Good afternoon po.
I see that you passed an impressive resume. And can you tell me more about yourself?
My name is Hernandez. I graduated from Manila Business College. My course is Business Administration Marketing Management.
I see that you're applying for a marketing assistant position, and I want to know, how will you help the company grow for the next 5 years?
5 years from now, ma'am, I will help your company by
Congrats, you are hired. You will start on Monday. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day. Unfortunately, they didn't meet the requirements, but we will contact you if there is another position.
Thank you.
Yes, tanggap ako. Thank you. Worth it lahat. Pagod ko. Thank you po.